Hey guys, I thought I'd do a tutorial on how to make HTML with Mac. If you're coming from Windows, you're used to using your normal text editor. Um, but for Mac, it is a little bit different because you don't have the same programs. So, you'd start thinking script editor. Well, that's not exactly what you want. That doesn't give you the same sort of stuff as you might get in Windows trying to code HTML. So your next thing is text edit. But then you realize it is in rich text format, which is not what you want to code HTML. It'll make the code all whacked up. So what I found is that actually you do want to use text edit, but there is a little trick to it. You have to click on format and then make plain text. You could use Shift Command T as a shortcut if you wanted to. So you do that, all the rich text stuff goes away, and you can start typing your HTML. So I'm just going to do a quick sample website here. Okay, so there's my sample website. So now what you want to do is same sort of thing as if you're coming from Windows. You want to go File, Save, or Command S. Save it as whatever. You want to make sure this is Unicode UTF-8 and unselect that and do .txt. Even though that's the same thing, it takes a little bit less in your effort if you put the .txt there. You can save it wherever you want. I'm just putting it on desktop. Save it, actually. Hang on, I screwed up. Okay. So you see over here, my txt file showed up. What you can do now is, I guess the easiest way to do it is close out if you did make this mistake. Open it back up, do the same thing, format, make plain text. Yes, you want to do that. Overwrite. And it did something weird with the code because it thought the Unicode 8 meant something else. So try not to make that mistake that I did, because it'll cause you a lot of extra work. So I'm just gonna do this again. Okay, so what you have to do now is, instead of doing .txt like I did, which was a stupid mistake, you want to rename it as whatever your name is, .html. And that'll make it a website. It'll automatically have that .txt at the end. But if you come in, and this is a little bit different than Windows if you are coming from Windows, but there's no save as. So you have to do duplicate, which is just about the same. Then you go, you format, make plain text. Okay, I'm just going to copy and paste this because I don't really want to do that anymore. Okay, there's that. What you do, you save it, test.html, get rid of this copy at the end. You have to make sure you save it as HTML. Otherwise, it'll come out as this again, rich text format, which is kind of annoying, but it just happens. You want to leave this, actually, now that I think about it. Okay. So you do your test.html, save wherever you want to. Save, use.html. It now shows this as a Chrome file, just because that's what I have that as. That should be saved on desktop, just showed up here. So, just open this up. And there's your website. You'll have to pay in order to get it online unless you use like a free provider such as Google Sites, but if you just want to code HTML for fun, that's all there is to it. I hope this helped you guys. I guess it kind of helped me figuring this out. If you liked it, hit that like button. Also be sure to subscribe and tell me if you want more videos like this.